In this video, I'll share some technical specs on the size of this battery, and we'll do a step-by-step replacement showing you everything you need and what to expect after the installation. But first, you'll need to open the bonnet, and because you can never find these latches, I'm showing you where it is. In this case, the safest place to start is to disconnect the negative terminal first. There are exceptions, but I have a dedicated video why we do this, so I'll post a link at the end of this video. Whether you do the positive or the bracket next doesn't really matter, as long as the negative is disconnected. If you find the terminal is hard to remove, use a flat screwdriver to open the terminal ends and wiggle it loose. The bracket comes loose with a nut and a bolt, as you might have guessed already, but the unique shape of this bracket means the replacement battery would need to match these dimensions quite closely to fit securely. So I'll give you some dimensions a bit later in the video. I hope this video has helped you so far. So if you like these videos, please support our channel by hitting that subscribe button below the video. If you have already, thank you for your support. I'll speed up the video for the installation, so you can just sit back and follow the sequence for reconnection. So looking at the technical specs on this battery, you'll notice an increase in cranking amps compared to the original, but this is never a bad thing. These dimensions of the battery casing would match the bracket almost perfectly. There were also no warnings on the cluster after installation, even without a memory saver. But we're not done just yet. Now that you've spent all this money on a new battery, you'll want to know how to make it last as long as possible. So go and watch this one quickly.